Did you know that in Pixlr you can auto contrast to your photo? That means you don't have to go to the contrast and keep on like adjusting whether you want it more or less. All you have to do is tap in that button that is auto contrast, and yeah, that's it. So first thing first, let's tap into the Pixlr app, and suppose I wanna add auto contrast to this photo over here. Let's go to the left bottom corner, and here there's option that is auto contrast. So let's tap in there. Can you see the difference? Like, it is already edited for me, like added the auto contrast. I didn't have to do anything. All I needed to do was like tap that button, and that's it. If you didn't notice, then you can see before and after there's slight changes. So this is how you auto contrast in Pixlr. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.